you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the amazing benefits of bitter cola that you may not even know. So bitter cola is one thing that is very important for you to have in your bag, in your homes, and yeah, of course when you are traveling. So I'm going to be telling you some of the benefits of bitter colas and how I've been using bitter cola in my daily living.
We rely heavily on your support to continue creating content like this, as this channel doesn't have any display ad on it. Please support us by using the super thanks button. Send any amounts that you are comfortable with, and this will go a long way in helping us create better content for you.
One of the benefits of bitter cola is that it improves sexual performance in men. That's why so many men eat bitter colas a lot in the villages. Bitter cola, when consumed regularly, helps to improve potency in men. It also improves sexual performance, and it is advised for a man to eat bitter cola at least 2 minutes before an intercourse. That is going to help boost his energy, ability, his performance, and it's going to help him last longer. The second benefit of eating bitter cola is that it helps to fight STDs. Bitter cola is loaded with lots of vitamins, minerals such as vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, iron, and several antioxidants. So bitter cola here helps to fight STD when consumed regularly. It has been proven to reduce the rate of bacteria in the body drastically by simply consuming more of bitter cola. The third benefit of bitter cola here is that it is a remedy for osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a common form of arthritis that affects the joint cartilage and the underlying bones, which thereby causes pains to the victim. It also causes stiffness on those areas that it is affected, and it usually affects the hip joint, the thumb joint, and also the knee joint. A study by the University of Obafemi Awolowo in Nigeria proved that bitter cola helps to drastically reduce the pain that is associated with osteoarthritis. It also reduced the inflammation, pains, and stiffness in patients that it was tested on. If you're having joint pain, having bone pains, or you know someone that has any of those problems, you should definitely recommend bitter cola to the person, because by simply consuming bitter cola twice in a day is going to help improve this condition. The fourth benefit of bitter cola is that it acts as a cough medicine. So if you're having cough, simply get yourself some bitter cola, peel it and eat it frequently. Eat it at 1 hour, 2 hours interval. Whenever you are being choked up with cough, eat your bitter cola. It is going to help clear your throat and help you get rid of the excess mucus that is in your throat. This is in turn going to help clear the cough in no time. So this has been tested, tried, and trusted. Bitter cola is very good when it comes to getting rid of cough. The fifth benefit of bitter cola is that it improves the immunity system. Bitter cola is loaded with several antioxidants, like I said earlier, and not only is this antioxidant beneficial in fighting bacteria in the body, it also helps increase the immunity levels in the system, which helps you to fight several deadly and harmful things that comes in contact with your body. By eating more of bitter cola, you are helping build up the immunity levels. That is why so many people go about with bitter cola in their bags, in their pockets, because it helps to fight so many things that you don't even know you must have come in contact with. The sixth benefit of bitter cola is that it fights malaria. For those of us that are exposed to mosquito bite causes malaria. Every 3 to 6 months, you will see that you may experience malaria. By eating bitter cola regularly, it's going to help prevent the malaria. If you even come in contact with mosquito before it has the opportunity to cause you the malaria infection, it is going to use its immunity fighting abilities to fight off that malaria. So eating bitter cola is very important in fighting and treating malaria. But if your malaria is too high, make sure you consult your doctor to advise you on what to do next. The seventh benefit of eating bitter cola is that it helps to fight glaucoma. Glaucoma is caused by pressure in the eyes, which in turn leads to a gradual loss of the eyesight. Eating bitter cola is going to help reduce the pressure between the eyeballs that may cause glaucoma or that may lead to loss of eyesight. Glaucoma here is a kind of eye disease that may result to permanent blindness. So in order for you to keep your eyes healthy and save it from the pressure between the eyeballs, ensure you eat more bitter cola daily, because bitter cola is one nut that I know that is very good for so many things. Eighth benefit of bitter cola is that it is used as an anti-poison. So if you've been poisoned, be it food poisoning or intentional poisoning, eating bitter cola is going to help get rid of the poison from your system. And the ninth benefit of bitter cola, this benefit is actually from my mom again, and then bitter cola helps to fight travel sickness. So I myself am one person that do experience travel sickness when I'm traveling, especially on land. So what my mom told me is that I should always have a bitter cola in my bag whenever I'm traveling, and I've always done that. What happens is that when I begin to have travel sickness, I just open the bitter cola and chew it and leave it to stay in between my tongue and the roof of my mouth, and then it's just going to miraculously fight that travel sickness and until I get to wherever I'm going to. I'm not going to feel that dizziness, like a nausea that I do feel whenever I am traveling. The 10th benefit of bitter cola is that it helps to chase away snakes from your home. So this one does not really involve eating the bitter cola, but what you are going to do is to make sure you always buy bitter cola and spread it around your compound. This one I actually knew it when I was very little, because we used to spread bitter cola around our compound. This is going to help ward off snakes. Snakes don't like the smell of bitter cola. So if you keep enough bitter colas around your house, just know that you will successfully get rid of reptiles from your homes, from your compound, from your office, from your farm. I'm not just going to leave you with only 10 benefits of bitter cola. That's because bitter cola has several benefits, and I'm just going to leave you with one bonus tip that of bitter cola that you should know. Bitter cola helps to reduce the effect of alcohol in the system. So that's why you see so many guys go about with bitter cola. You may not have seen, but I have seen so many guys go around with bitter cola, and whenever they are about to drink, they eat bitter cola. After drinking, they still eat bitter cola. This is going to help reduce the effect of the alcohol in their system, and it also helps to fight hangover. So always make sure you have bitter cola. I am not advising you to go about drinking alcohol, but if you know you must drink alcohol, make sure you always have bitter cola in your pocket, because this is going to help reduce the effect of alcohol in your system. And I hope you enjoyed this video the same way I enjoyed making this video for you. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can get to know the wonderful benefits of bitter cola, and they too can start incorporating and eating bitter cola too. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, yes, I'm going to be telling you so many benefits of so many things that you may not know. So do subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of those videos, and also do check out my blog. The link is down in the description box and also on the screen. Follow me on Instagram to see more of me, and you can get to ask me questions on Instagram, as well as drop your comments in the comment section below. And I am definitely going to see you in my next video. Bye.